Good morning, dear student. I welcome you all in your online class as per the schedule. Today is a moral value class. So let's start your class. And today the chapter name of fairness we will do in this class. So open your moral value book page number 5 and we will start. The name of the chapter is fairness. Do you know what is fairness? Fairness means the quality of treating people equally or in a way that is right or reasonable. So, and the fairness mean for you treat people the way you want to be treated. Everywhere in your study, in your games, fairness is equally important. I am also telling to the rule of game. If you play any game, have you fairness means use for playing game? So just check with that. Take turns, tell the truth, play by the rules, think about how your action will affect others, listen the people with an open mind. Don't blame others for your mistakes. Think what is right and what is wrong. Do you follow these all rules? If yes, then you play fairness way. So with that today we are going to start our story. There were 20 students in a class of St. Mary Convent, Shillong. Ravi was a hard-working boy of the class. Okay, one student Ravi is also student of the class and he is very hardworking. He belonged to a middle class family. He studied very hard, but a group of students constantly teased him because he could not spend money like them. Nobody was fair and just to him since he tried to save the hard earned money of his father. His classmate did not like his company, so he was a loner in the school. His classmate behavior cannot be justified, but he was fair to his parents. He lived in his means, trying to give back to his parents every penny they spent in the form of achievements in academic and sports. Turn the next page. Here his classmates were overjoyed because they scored well by dishonest method. Ravi did not pay attention to them when they boasted of unmeasured success. He knew complications of life can be sorted out only when we are fair and just in our action. He decided to win over his classmates by developing a helpful attitude towards them since his innocent heart also craved for friendship. He lent a helping hand to each student of the class by guiding them in academic, instructing them to win games by following rules, not by all means. He also tried to explain to them that his adverse circumstances did not allow him to spend money. So he would always help them in academic, sports and activity but would not participate in parties and birthday. So students, here Ravi always help all classmates for academic, sports and activity, but he could not participate for the parties and birthdays where they spend lot of money. So he had no favorites. He was absolutely impartial and was ready to arrest everyone. He taught them to take turns in a systematic manner while playing. He had a handicapped child in his class. He included him in his group and played indoor games with him. He trained this boy in such a manner that he started getting rewards in chess competitions. However, Ravi Maizri did not end here. There was a group of boys who, instead of being grateful to him, started bullying him. These boys considered his politeness as an attribute to weakness in his character. They pretended that they were sick and very cleverly requested to him to do a series of tasks wearing the mask of friendship. The handicapped boy knew as